Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove Shadowban on Reddit account. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So for this you just need to go into your Reddit ID. I am logging into my Google Chrome. We will just click on the three option on the right bottom and now just scroll to the down and this option called Help Center you can see. Just click on that. When you click Help Center, you got many of option where it to chat or email to report a problem here. So we will just report a problem and just report a query regarding our Shadowban or ready application. This is opening, it will take a while. You can see this is open, you can see, and we will just go on the option called account status. Reddit one and many of the problem here. You just have to click on your problem or your username etc. So this is the way how you can remove Shadowban on Reddit account. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.